Hey everybody, this is Dan from Dan and Bree. Don't know what to say. Hey everybody, this is Dan from Dan and Bree. Wow, what a week. I just got back from Shop Talk in Las Vegas, so if I look a little tired, I am. Over the last 4 days, I've worked 37 hours, I swear to you. So anyway, today, long overdue review. I'm going to do a review on the GSI 6-ounce JAVAMIll and the 30 fluid ounce JAVAPRESS from GSI. So please enjoy. Thanks for watching. Alright, so first let's start with the GSI JAVAMIll 6-ounce. There's your little booklet. And there's a press itself. Let's see. There you go, you just take that handle out to get the cardboard out. Get rid of that. So it looks pretty nice. Alright, so here's a unit. You take the handle off. You take this little cap and you put it there, and it turns, so it makes grinding a little bit easier. You put it on. Once you put your beans in, that's how you would crank it. All the beans would end up down here. And you turn this clockwise for more of a coarse and counterclockwise for more of a fine grind. And with the press, you're probably going to want medium to coarse grinds. Now, one of the things that, if you've watched this on YouTube or read any reviews, this shaft, this octagon shaft, apparently is all held in with plastic. And it's been known to strip out the plastic, I guess, and you can order a new piece, but they don't carry it at REI, which is where I purchased this. I purchased both these items for around $65. Okay, so next we have the GSI 30 fluid ounce JAVAPRESS. So let's get this open. And you've got the booklet inside. I think this will be a little simpler to explain. Okay, so there you have it. This is more or less a thermal sleeve and also a handle so you don't burn your hands. And you would put the coffee in here and the water, obviously, and you would attach this. And then you would push it down slowly until you get all to the bottom. And I don't know if you picked up on that, but it doesn't. It's not very smooth. It kind of catches. But let's see how it works. Okay, but again, I think I put too many beans in. Nope, I guess that works out pretty well. So there you have it. Nice grinds. Let's pour this in here. Okay, so you want to let it sit for about a minute so that you don't scorch the beans. All right, so it's been a minute. So now we're going to go ahead and add our grinds. Okay, so now we're going to let that sit for about 3 minutes. So get all that flavor in there, and then we'll press it. All right, so it's been about 4 minutes actually, and I'm going to go ahead and press it. All right, let's see how that works. You match this little arrow up with the nozzle to be able to pour. So I've got my glass, and just to see how well that works, now I've got a filter so we can see how many grinds made it past. And if you can see in there, there's not too bad. It didn't do that bad at all. So there you go. I'm so tired, I need this. Oh, that's good. Okay, everybody, well, thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed the video of the GSI JavaMill and the coffee press. Please like and subscribe. Bye-bye.